Hi, Cherry from Team UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Toyota Prius 23 plate, very beautiful car, amazing condition, almost a brand new car, and the color is grey. I'll quickly show you the exterior. So this is an amazing shape. Does have parking sensors as well. These are the lights. Amazing looking car. It's available for sale. These are the lights. Now if I show you the inside, this is the steering. You just need to sit down. This is the new gearbox from the Prius itself. Handbrake, drive mode, and navigation is also in English. You can change the language from Japanese to English. This is the power start button, and these are the USB charger and cup holders, lights, just a touch button. Oh, it's off by that. Yeah, it's a touch start. Okay, amazing. So it does have a cruise control as well as usual. The legendary Prius. And this is the complete light is going on. LED, beautiful LED light. So I'll show you app. Okay, so this is the settings. Anything if you want to check, everything is in English, and it's a factory set, never been changed. So if you want to change to drive, you just need to press it. The car will be on the drive position now. Left and right. This is okay. So if you want to reverse it, you just need to press the brake. There you go. It will show you the camera, back camera. Does have 360 camera as well. Have parking sensors as well. If you want to neutral it, just on the neutral, it will go like this. And this is for the parking. Amazing car. Again, So if you want to raise the audio, you can raise it by that. It's up and down controller for the audio. Okay, and these are the Windows controller, driver side. So these are
2 out of 10 on the mix. 10 out of 10 on the Sedan, man. This one, M-Beat once more. Love this one, man.
so for the back seats.
That Avon is just merciless, man. Slightly different from me.
It's the camera. Huge boot space for the things if you want to carry on. Again, drop down the seats like that.
This one a couple of months ago.
So not only this, we have many different cars here. A lot of different cars. We have a car wash here as well. So this car is available for sale. You are warmly welcome. Otherwise, if you want another color, we can arrange for you.